All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. Samsung decided to troll everybody in the US market. And once again, it's ludicrous to some of the things they do. But a lot of you guys picked up your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. You went to settings and you went down to battery. You scrolled down and you were looking for it to look like this right here. You were looking for show battery percentage because you wanted to turn it off. Well, you can't. That's what they did to us. This is my S25 Ultra. As you can see, the option is clearly there. And there is the battery percentage gone because I just wanted a smooth battery icon. Well, with the US S26 Ultras, that does not exist anymore. So like I fiddled around in the battery, then I went over to notifications and I said, okay, let me go to status bar and oh, wait. But then I read closely and it says show battery background where you can disable it. Samsung has completely disabled the ability to take away the percentage. Now, why this is, I don't know, but I just prefer a smooth battery icon right there. That's just what I prefer. So I'll show you how to remove that, but it's a lame thing for them to do. So you go into your Good Lock, you'll need to install Good Lock, and then you'll need to go to Quick Start. And then you'll need to go to visibility of icons. And the only thing you can do is turn off the battery. That is lame. I haven't found any other way to remove the percentage. Now, it's cool to have just a percentage right there, but I would prefer not to have anything there and just have a smooth battery icon. Some would argue, well, why would you want to do that? Hear me out. I think it's more of a distraction to have the battery percentage there instead of just the icon. Am I the only one that feels that way? Am I the only one that thinks it's a distraction to look at the percentage on the battery there? Some phones I want it, some phones I don't. I know it's weird, but for me, I prefer to just have the smooth pill-like shape there, like it is on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Why they chose to do this, I have no clue whatsoever. I don't know why they did this. I think it's super lame for them to take away something that was actually functional for most of us. They're starting to act like Google was just creating something good and then just erasing it. Yeah, I don't know why they did this, but Samsung trolled us. And that is the resolution that I came up with, is to go in the Good Lock and order and download the app and then go into your Quick Start, I think it was, and then just remove the icon altogether. But who would want to do that? You're not going to know when your battery's dying. This is freaking weird. And if I missed something, I don't claim to know everything, tell me. Because again, I'll go in here again. I didn't see a way to actually get rid of it. Like, there's nothing. Only thing I could do is turn it off. I couldn't find, look, on and off. I don't see of any other way to just have the pill there. Now, I know there's probably third-party applications, but I shouldn't have to install a third-party application just for something as simple as that. Am I wrong? Did they screw us? Did they mess us over? Is it something real small? It is. But I think it deserves to be stated here that the US versions of the Galaxy S26 Ultra do not have that feature anymore. Why, Samsung? Why? I just don't get it. I don't get it. They kind of messed everybody over with that one, who actually enjoyed having the smooth peel up top. But for me, like I said, I think it's more of a distraction for me, if anything. Tell me why you like having just the smooth icon peel with no percentage on your phone. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.